What's up, y'all? It's here, Sergio here at Trejo's Auto Repairs. Today we're working on a 2006 Volvo XC90 with the V8. We're gonna do some spark plugs and the oil change on this bad girl. Let's get it. All right, let's take out the spark plugs. Cool. And there it is. All right, y'all. So she's running all good now. We did the spark plugs and then an oil change on this old girl. Hit up Trejo's Auto Repair for all your automotive needs. We'll get you done right, no matter what you drive.